I'm Tony Fleming, and this is Fleming's Ultimate Garage. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on today's first outdoor video. I know that we do so many inside the showroom there, but this is a beast and it needs to be shown out in the wild, right? It doesn't want to be tamed inside the showroom. So I thought for the first time, you know what we do? Maybe we'll just say, okay, this is where we could go in this. I didn't do it. I didn't want to get it dirty. I'm gonna leave that up to you. Anyway, when you're looking at this video today, I don't really want to waste like hours of your time telling you every single thing about here, but take a moment and walk around the video, watch the video a couple times and see so many things have been done to this 110 to make it nicer. And if I ran down the list, it'd be a 2-hour video. And so just like look at the light bar, look at the roof rack, the snorkel, the wheels and tires, the upgraded brakes, suspension, winch, bumpers, like so many things. And this is why when you drive one of these, people love them. Why do they love them? Because they've never seen anything like it. Keep in mind, they didn't really sell these back then, not here in the US. And so we import them from Italy, and we import them from Italy because they give us, and I say this a couple times during the video, it gives us a much better car to start with, truck to start with. We'll send you pictures to you, we'll show you the restoration, we'll show you the build, all the good stuff. Let's get started on how nice it is. And don't be mad about this, but this car is significantly nicer than a brand new one was circa 2000. All right, so you want to get a cool car, all the hard stuff's been done for you, because if you were to get one of these and try to do it yourself, it'd be 2 years. You'd have to take it all apart, put it all back together, and it would cost significantly more than it is to buy it this way here. So, take a quick peek. The sawtooth alloys, nice looking, big wheel and tire setup, right? The step tubes are already here. This skid plates that are here, they're done in black for some contrasting colors, and nothing better looking really than British racing grain and a tan interior. More importantly, the paint here is really nice. It was done at a body shop. The restoration was actually done at the body shop there. We have photos of it and what have you. Come on up, I want you to check out. Also too, sorry, the front end of these here with the digital upgrades, LEDs, all that there, the winch, the bumper. Call outs to match this. This is why when people say that's a great looking car, they need to know why it is. All right, and come on up here. We're in the sunshine today, and hopefully you can see how crystal clear all of those letters are. You can see the clouds in the paint, the trees, all that good stuff. Just really, really nice paint. So part of the look of this too is the Puma hood, right? This upgraded front end and what have you. However, you might want to go to a Cars and Coffee or car show, and people are going to want to see under here. And we didn't stop at just a regular engine compartment. The valve covers color matched here, which is really nice looking touch. All new brakes you can see here, new air conditioning, the air conditioning system. The intake manifold over here is all redone. You got the intercooler down here. You got power, right? You got power, and people never get to see this kind of power. They normally see like a 4-cylinder or something like that. Here we have something very different, not to mention it's great looking underneath here. These are designed if you want to stand on here and load stuff up into the roof rack. That's up to you. I would afraid I might scratch it because that's so nice looking. Anyway, this is done for you, so that's one less step. And when you open the hood and people get to see something like this, you can be really proud. All right, so much cool stuff to see here. Like, for instance, right, we're adding a 5th tire here. These are 16-inch, 35-inch tires. That's a lot of tire. Ooh, I get excited when we talk about that, right? We got the ladder here. Little tiny things that you might not think about that are touches that are nice. For instance, while we have the diamond plating here, the stairs are wrapped in that, so you don't scratch up those. It's just little stuff like that. LED light conversion, tubular bumper. The trailer hitch is already set up there. Obviously the ladder to get up top. And then inside here, this is where we really shine. So just check out this for a second. The interior back here is as nice as any other car. The strips that are done, the cherry wood, this wouldn't have been this nice circa 2000. The color matched interior, these seats also fold up, right? If you need a little bit more room back here, you maybe want to carry some stuff, throw bags in here, go to the beach. The back seat folds down for more storage. Like, this is a real workhorse vehicle, even though it's super, super nice, like Rolls-Royce luxury style. It's functional, it's fun, and you can do whatever you want with it, wherever you decide to go. All right, I set myself back here just so you know, like, I'm 6'1", and they've made room in here. They've even made the headliner cut out so people that are a little bit taller would fit. again, you got seating for 4 back here. You got seating for 3 more here. You got seating for 2 more up there. I mean, it's this is a lot of people you could take with you. You could have a lot of fun. All right, so you're walking up to your cool truck. This is a great view, is it not? This is a view that everybody else will see. However, we haven't spent any time inside where you'll be. Let's go do that right now. So getting in, super easy. Just grab the wheel, step on the step bar, and inside here we have what I would say is the command center. The command center. You sit up high and proud. This has an upgraded digital audio interface here. Our air conditioning system is built in here. You got all kinds of speakers and tweeters and things like that around, giving you a nice audio system. It's got satellite. There's a satellite antenna. I love this wood wheel, kind of retro but kind of cool. Center console for more storage and what have you. The winch control is in here. All new seat covers and foam and padding. This is perforated, right? Giving you a nice comfort there. Full array of gauges, right? I get so excited about these things, I get out of breath. Anyway, we talked about seating in some of the other parts of the video, but this is comfortable, man. You could, I just thinking about, like, you could go someplace, hose out the interior when, if you went to the beach or what have you, and what a great time and memories this would make. Why are all heavy-duty vehicles, 18-wheelers, vehicles used for plowing, things like that, all diesel? Well, because diesel makes power, man. You don't have to kill it, you don't have to rev it up high, and it starts each time just like easy. Very nice. How you doing? So you couldn't get these in the United States back in the day, like this one here. So we import them from Italy. And why do we import them from Italy? Well, because they're much less rusty, right? They don't start out as rusty pieces like they do in the UK, and you start out with a much better truck. Hence, you can hear, like, it's I like to listen for rattle. Like, we're on a bumpy road, driving through the country roads like we should, right? We have a country luxury vehicle, right, in English, right? And we're enjoying our wonderful ride. And also, too, the turbo diesel is so good because as soon as you step on the gas, it just goes, right? You don't have to wait for camshafts and all this other stuff to come on. It makes great power. I love shifting, and I'll tell you why, because today's modern cars are all automatic. You throw it in drive, you get on the phone, you do your Apple CarPlay, and while it has a lot of great stuff in here like that, I like to engage in my cool car that I'm going to drive once in a while, right? I want it to be different than my standard car. And so that's why I love this. And look at the power. I mean, it just goes. Like, super easy gearbox, handles nicely. We're in a big truck. And not to mention, it is so great looking. Everybody who sees it, their thumbs up all the time. And you can take people. You can use it to go to Home Depot. You can go to the beach. Can you imagine pulling out on the beach in, like, the Outer Banks or someplace where you can drive on the beach in this thing? I mean, that is just a game changer. All right, what else we got? We got AC, we got an upgraded audio system, we got all kinds of fun stuff. A couple things if you wanted to. They make a power window kit. That might be the final thing you do to it. Other than that, it's got great wheels and tires and disc brakes and power steering and all the things that you'd ask for. And we're shooting this video in 25, right? So this is a 25-year-old vehicle. All beautifully restored inside and out. Great paint, drivetrain. And I'm trying to hit some bumps on purpose so you can just hear how solid it really is. Anyway, enough of my rambling. Thanks so much for going for a ride with me today. I enjoyed it. I hope you did too. And if you don't mind, hit the like button down below. That helps get our message out. I really appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel. We got new stuff coming out all the time. And don't forget to maybe share with your friends. They might see something they like as well. And I'll see you on the next drive. right, was that a great test drive or what? I told you you'd like it. I told you. Anyway, let's run down just a couple highlights real quick. Just real quick. This cool entire front end, from the Puma hood and LEDs to the custom interiors to the sawtooths. Big wheel and tire package, 35-inch. How you doing, huh? 4-wheel disc brakes, air conditioning, cool wood wheel, the LED light bars, and the cool roof rack. Like, so many things. I'm telling you, man. Spend a few minutes, watch this video 2 or 3 times. You'll find something new each and every time. Anyway, when is the last time you saw a 110 like this in the wild? I'm not talking about online or in a video, but I'm talking about like outside in public driving around. The likelihood is it's been years since you've seen one, and that's why these are so cool. Anyway, let's find a way to get it in your garage.